Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the floating shortcut, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch and tap Assistive Touch. Once done, toggle it on and you'll see the quick ball appear. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and charging is not required. This runs on battery. You're doing this to get shortcut access anywhere, so don't stop here. Next, you'll tailor what that button does because the default menu may not match your fastest workflow. Now customize the menu so the quick ball works like your personal control hub. Tap Customize Top-Level Menu, replace icons you don't need, and choose 1 to 6 shortcuts. Pick things you use often. Then assign single tap, double tap, and long press to specific actions like Home, Screenshot, or Siri. This reduces taps later. Once configured, try each gesture to confirm it triggers the right action, because that verification prevents friction when you rely on the quick ball daily. Finish by refining visibility and behavior. Set idle opacity and enable touch accommodations if you need steadier input. Then test the quick ball across apps and make small tweaks. Move icons, swap gestures, so it feels natural. If the floating button becomes unresponsive, restart your iPhone first. That fixes most glitches. If problems persist, toggle Assistive Touch off and on and check for iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.